since diet plays a huge part in getting or maintaining our dream physique. I will be deviating from my usual format of talking about exercises and bring you guys to my kitchen. For today we will be cooking vinegar braised milkfish. Other fishes and vegetables can also be used for this recipe, so feel free to tweak it however you like. Pour a cup of water in a pot. Add half a cup of white vinegar. Adjust the amount depending on how sour you want the dish to be. Add pepper, garlic, onions, and about half a spoon of salt. Seems excessive, but I'll be eating this for about 2 days and I don't consume all the sauce. Break the green chilies in two so the flavor will seep into the dish without going overboard with the heat. You can also have it chopped, but go easy as it can easily get too spicy. Give it a stir. It is now time to add our milkfish. Place them evenly throughout the pot and check out how fatty this fish's belly is. Add in our vegetables. Don't worry if they aren't submerged, as the steam should be enough to cook them thoroughly. We were supposed to add our chopped ginger earlier so we could stir it together with the finer ingredients, but this'll do. We'll add them on top and try to get them submerged. Add a spoonful of olive oil to enhance the flavor even more. Whenever you need to stir, just rotate the pot and avoid using utensils so you don't rip the fish apart. Just turn the pot from side to side every now and then so the fish doesn't stick to the pot. Cover the pot and put it on medium heat for about 5 minutes or till the liquid boils, then simmer it on low heat for another 20 minutes. When it is done, you should end up with something like this. As a Filipino, we often eat everything with rice, so here I am about to enjoy the dish we made.